Ever found yourself wishing for that one gadget to simplify everything? In this video, I'm revealing 20 kitchen gadgets that are total game changers for your culinary adventures. These aren't just kitchen tools. They're downright clever. Stay tuned until the end for some mind-blowing surprises that'll revolutionize your kitchen. And if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like and subscribe. You might think a masher is just a basic tool, but this one offers a clear upgrade to your kitchen arsenal. Its ergonomic handle provides an excellent grip. The head, crafted for durability, features a well-designed grid that effortlessly breaks down lumps, ensuring consistently smooth mashed potatoes, perfectly pureed avocados, or even finely crushed mincemeat. It boasts fantastic ease of use and cleanup, flushing clean in a flash either by hand or in the dishwasher. This practical and durable addition delivers consistently superior results every time, appealing to a broad target audience of home cooks who value efficiency and quality. A sharp knife isn't just about efficiency, it's crucially about safety, making this an essential tool for every kitchen. This particular sharpener offers impressive versatility with multiple sharpening slots, catering to various blade types from dull to finely honed. The non-slip base ensures stability on any countertop, providing a secure and safe sharpening experience. It quickly restores a razor-sharp edge to your knives, making slicing, dicing, and chopping feel effortless and precise. No more struggling with blunt blades that slip and slide, which is a major safety concern. Investing in this quality sharpener will transform your cooking experience, making meal prep faster, safer, and much more enjoyable. Ever struggle with keeping your open bags of snacks fresh? Enter the mini bag sealer and cutter. This compact gadget is a total lifesaver for preserving freshness and reducing food waste. It provides remarkable versatility and multifunctionality, featuring both a heat sealer to create an airtight seal and a built-in cutter to easily open sealed bags. It heats up quickly and seals various types of plastic bags with a simple swipe. This device directly solves the problem of stale food, ensuring your chips, cereals, or frozen vegetables stay crisp and flavorful for longer. Say goodbye to stale snacks and hello to lasting freshness. Precision is key in baking, and that's where the adjustable measuring spoons come in. These ingenious spoons offer a clear value proposition. They eliminate the clutter of multiple individual spoons, providing a single versatile tool for all your measuring needs. With a simple slide mechanism, you can adjust the spoon to various measurements, from a tiny pinch to a full tablespoon, emphasizing their benefits for accuracy. This not only provides significant space saving but also ensures precision in your recipes, solving the common problem of inconsistent measurements. Made from durable, food-safe materials, they are easy to clean and built to last. Do you ever wrestle with stubborn jar lids? The under-cabinet jar opener is about to become your new best friend. This incredibly simple yet effective device mounts discreetly under your cabinet, always ready to tackle even the most tightly sealed jars. Its V-shaped design with strong gripping teeth securely holds the lid, allowing you to twist the jar open with minimal effort, making it perfect for those with limited hand strength or anyone tired of struggling with slippery lids. Installation is a breeze, underscoring its ease of use, and its hidden placement keeps your countertops clutter-free, offering excellent space saving. This humble gadget truly eliminates a common kitchen frustration, making it a genuinely valuable and welcome addition to any home. For coffee lovers and those who enjoy a luxurious hot beverage, the milk frother is an absolute must-have. This compact device quickly transforms ordinary milk into rich, creamy foam, perfect for lattes, cappuccinos, and hot chocolates. It directly solves the problem of flat, uninspired drinks. Whether you prefer a handheld battery-operated model or an electric countertop version, it's incredibly easy to use and clean, making your morning routine a little more indulgent. Elevate your coffee experience and impress your guests with perfectly frothed milk every time. Let's talk about chilling your drinks and food in a fun new way with the ice mold tray. Forget those boring, standard ice cubes. This tray offers a clear value proposition by allowing you to create uniquely shaped ice, elevating the presentation of your beverages. Made from flexible, food-safe silicone, it ensures durability and is incredibly easy to release the ice without any breakage or struggle, emphasizing ease of use and cleanup. Beyond just ice, these trays can also be used for freezing portions of sauces, broths, or even baby food. It's a versatile and enjoyable addition to your kitchen, adding a touch of flair to your everyday drinks and culinary creations. Need a quick and convenient way to whip up smoothies, shakes, or even single servings of sauces? The personal blender is your go-to solution, designed for individual portions. These blenders are compact, powerful, and incredibly easy to use. Simply add your ingredients, blend, and often the blending cup doubles as a travel mug, showcasing versatility and multifunctionality and solving the problem of needing separate containers for on-the-go drinks. They are perfect for busy mornings, post-workout nutrition, or small batch meal prep. Moving on to outdoor cooking, here's the grilling accessories set. For all you barbecue enthusiasts, this collection is an absolute essential. This set typically includes essential tools like a spatula, tongs, and a fork, all crafted from durable, high-quality stainless steel that boasts impressive durability and can withstand high temperatures and frequent use. The extended handles keep your hands safely away from the heat, while comfortable grips ensure precision and control. Whether you're flipping burgers, turning steaks, or arranging vegetables on the grill, These tools make the entire process smooth and enjoyable, solving common grilling frustrations. Moving heavy kitchen or laundry appliances is no longer a backbreaking chore, thanks to these heavy-duty extendable rollers. These ingenious devices directly solve the problem of struggling with bulky washing machines, dryers, refrigerators, and even furniture. Featuring a robust design, allowing for a max extension of around 32 inches for versatile use. Their smooth gliding wheels ensure you can effortlessly slide heavy items in and out, protecting your floors from scratches and saving significant physical strain. Built to withstand the weight of major appliances, these rollers provide incredible ease of use, transforming a daunting task into a simple maneuver. For perfectly cooked meats every time, you need a reliable wireless meat thermometer. This essential gadget takes the guesswork out of grilling, roasting, or smoking, ensuring precise results. The probe inserted into the meat transmits the internal temperature wirelessly, allowing you to monitor doneness from a distance, directly avoiding constant oven or grill opening. Many models offer preset temperatures for different meats and doneness levels, along with custom alerts. This thermometer ensures your roasts are juicy, your steaks are perfectly seared, and your poultry is safely cooked. It's a game changer for consistently achieving professional-level results in your culinary endeavors. Unleash your inner chef with an electric grinder set. Whether it's for spices or herbs, an electric grinder provides fresh, aromatic results that elevate your cooking. A spice grinder unlocks intense flavors by freshly milling whole spices just before use. These sets are powerful, efficient, and incredibly easy to operate with simple push-button controls. The aroma of freshly ground spices is incomparable, transforming your everyday meals. It's an investment in flavor and freshness, bringing a new dimension to your culinary creations, appealing to those passionate about vibrant flavors. Bring the campfire fun to your home with the indoor s'mores maker. No more waiting for good weather or a bonfire to enjoy this beloved treat. This tabletop appliance offers a safe and convenient way to make s'mores anytime, anywhere. It's perfect for family nights, sleepovers, or cozy gatherings. The design often includes compartments for chocolate and graham crackers. Make the s'mores assembly mess-free and enjoyable. It creates a fun, interactive experience and brings the nostalgic joy of s'mores right into your living room. For the environmentally conscious home, the electric composter is a sustainable option for waste management. This device directly solves the problem of traditional composting's slow pace and odors, speeding up the process significantly, turning food scraps and organic waste into nutrient-rich soil amendment in a matter of hours or days. It reduces household waste, eliminates unpleasant odors often associated with traditional composting, and provides valuable fertilizer for your plants. It's a clean, efficient, and eco-friendly way to manage your organic waste, contributing to a more sustainable lifestyle. This modern composting solution is perfect for urban dwellers or anyone looking for a convenient way to recycle their food scraps. Tired of tedious chopping? The vegetable chopper is here to rescue your meal prep. This gadget significantly speeds up the chopping process. It solves the problem of time-consuming manual chopping, allowing you to quickly dice onions or slice potatoes with minimal effort. It often comes with various interchangeable blades for different cuts and sizes, ensuring uniform results. It's a fantastic time saver, reducing tears from onions and making quick work of large quantities of vegetables. For cheese lovers, the Rotary cheese grater is a fantastic tool for freshly grated cheese right at your table. This handheld grater offers a simple crank mechanism that effortlessly grates hard cheeses like Parmesan or softer ones like cheddar. It's much easier and safer to use than a box grater, protecting your knuckles and ensuring consistent results. Freshly grated cheese melts better and has a superior flavor compared to pre-shredded options. It's perfect for topping pasta, salads, or adding a gourmet touch to any dish. A grater like this brings efficiency and freshness to your cheese consumption. Peeling fruits and vegetables can be a chore, but not with the electric peeler. This automated gadget removes all the effort. It directly solves the problem of manual peeling's tediousness, making quick work of potatoes, apples, pears, and more. Simply secure the fruit or vegetable, and the peeler rotates it against a sharp blade, removing the skin efficiently and with minimal waste. It's particularly useful for large batches of produce, saving time and effort, making meal preparation faster and more enjoyable. This clever appliance is a real game changer, transforming a tedious task into a quick and effortless one. The French fry cutter allows you to easily create perfectly uniform French fries right in your own kitchen. This manual tool, often with a lever mechanism, quickly slices potatoes into consistent fry-shaped sticks, ready for frying or baking, directly solving the problem of uneven, difficult manual cutting. Achieving uniform size ensures even cooking, leading to perfectly crispy and delicious fries every time. It's also great for cutting other vegetables like carrots or zucchini into sticks for snacks or salads, highlighting its versatility and multifunctionality. The chicken shredder is a simple yet brilliant tool that makes shredding cooked chicken effortless. This typically bowl-shaped device with handles and internal spikes directly solves the problem of messy and time-consuming manual shredding. You simply place your cooked chicken inside, put on the lid, and twist the handles. In seconds, your chicken is perfectly shredded, ideal for tacos, sandwiches, salads, or or casseroles. It's much faster and less messy than using 2 forks, saving you time in the kitchen. This handy gadget is a true convenience for anyone who frequently prepares meals with shredded chicken, streamlining a usually tedious task. Finally, let's talk about opening cans. With the electric can opener, it directly solves the problem of stubborn or difficult can lids. With a simple press of a button, this appliance automatically latches onto the can and smoothly cuts around the lid, leaving a clean, smooth edge. It's perfect for those with limited hand strength, arthritis, or anyone who just wants a hassle-free way to open cans. It's a reliable and convenient kitchen tool that ensures quick and safe access to your canned goods, making it an essential appliance for any kitchen, particularly for its ease of use. There you have it. 20 gadgets that can make your time in the kitchen more efficient and more enjoyable. Found your match? Check the description for more details. Got opinions on these? Share them in the comments. Know someone hunting for a kitchen tool? Send this video to them. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this, subscribe for more reviews, and I'll see you next time.